Sculpted Millinery is all about form, shape and manipulation of your chosen millinery component. In this course, your tutor Jane Stoddart will share how to freeform contemporary headpieces using Paris sisal, crinoline and a new product, the coarsely woven buntal mats. Strength and finish is essential as you reconfigure these to style in an eye-catching way. Jane details the importance of secure hand stitching to support your design. With no limitations, you will find Sculpted Millinery an expressive and creative experience.